If you like to come somewhere and be all natural, find like-minded people here that burst into song when they're looking for something or asking a question, and they have great ideas. They help you experiment and make lifelong friends. Besides learning how to do things that are good for the environment and could make your life, as Paul says, much more luxuriant with less effort.
There's just a variety of everything here. If you want to learn something about permaculture technology, this is the place to do it.
Everybody has been amazing. There are such a wide range of skills. Everybody knows a lot about something different. There's always somebody to answer a question, get you started with something. The smiles. The people have been my favorite part.
Okay, so everybody act like we're taking a picture.
So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, click.
Everybody blinks. Okay, one more time,
1, 2, 3, click.
All right,